Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? Yesterday I think we have described about the Schmidt rearrangement reaction. What do you mean by the Schmidt rearrangement reaction? What are the starting material used for this reaction, as well as what are the reagent involved in Schmidt rearrangement reaction, as well as what kind of the intermediate involved in it and which element is electron deficient in nature, what are the driving force for rearrangement of this, and what are the migratory aptitude of that alkyl or aryl group. Generally hydrogen, phenyl and alkyl group, this is a general trend found to migrate during all these rearrangement reactions. And the applications of Schmidt rearrangement, I think 4 application we have discussed with their example. And today what we are going to discuss, look at the blackboard, pinnacle rearrangement. What do you mean by pinnacle rearrangement? Definition of it or statement of the pinnacle rearrangement. First of all, let me tell you, pinnacle means vicinal diol or 1,2 diol. That is called as a pinnacle. And pinnacle means what? After the rearrangement, whatever the end product obtained, formed or produced is generally ketone, and that's why it is known as pinnacolon. ONE indicate last suffix indicate there must involve carbonyl group, and that's why that species end product of this rearrangement pinnacolon, that WR fatigue, this rearrangement reaction is generally there, and that's why it is a pinnacolon rearrangement reaction. And in what medium these reactions are carried out? Generally these reactions carried out in acidic medium, and that's why in the statement or in the definition they define acid catalyzed rearrangement of vicinal diols, pinnacles, to carbonyl compounds, phenolphthalein, with elimination of water is known as pinnacolon rearrangement. It's a very simple rearrangement reaction. Remember, acid catalyzed rearrangement of vicinal diols, pinnacles, to carbonyl compound phenolphthalein with elimination of water is known as pinnacolon rearrangement. Long back in 1860, German chemist W.R. Fittig observed that when 2,3-dimethylbutane 2,3-diol, commonly known as pinnacle, is treated with hot 30% sulfuric acid 3,3-dimethyl 2-butanone, commonly known as pinnacolon, is formed. And such a type of acid catalyzed dehydration reaction involving rearrangement of 1,2-diol is called as pinacolon rearrangement. For example, they have taken the simplest example, vicinal diol, or we can say here this CS3, then CS3, OH, then here also as a CS3, here also CS3 and OH. It is 1 and 2 position, there is a diol, hydroxyl group is present, or it is called as a vicinal diol, or we can say if you see the IUPAC name of this compound, you can observe 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at 2 position and 3 position there are 2 methyl groups are there, and therefore we can call it as a 2,3 dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl butane 4 carbon atom and 2,3 diol, 2,3 diol. That is the name of this compound is given. So this is the starting material, or you just call it as a pinacol. Pinacol, this is a common name of this compound, 1,2-diol, and this is generally, this reaction is carried out in acidic medium. When acidic medium, this reaction carried out, the resulting compound obtained will be this one, CS3, then CS3, OH, then here CS3, then CS3, OH twice, positive charge. This one of the hydroxyl group get protonated, and that hydroxyl group, as we know that it is not a good living group, but when it protonation carried out, that get protected, that becomes as a good living group. Bad living group is get converted into as a good living group. So this leaves like this. It can pick up the proton from here, and we will be getting here this reaction is carried out through carbocation, and when carbocations are formed here, CS3, once again CS3, then OH, then CS3, positive charge over there. That is a carbocation form here, carbocation, and once the carbocation form, it is a electrophilic in nature. It has empty p orbital, z orbital, and now the driving force behind it, this carbocation present, so this moves like that, forming as a double bond, and one of that methyl group shifting of one to methyl group from here to here. So after that one methyl group is shifted, not like this, methyl group is shift, 1 to Me shift, methyl shift, or 1 to shift, methyl shift. What is happening after that? We'll get CS3. It is a tertiary carbocation, is more stable, no doubt about it, but the driving force, once again, what happening here, positive charge comes over there, then this OH, then now becomes as a CS3 and CS3. Now still tertiary carbocation is formed, but that even though from tertiary carbocation more stability is of this, because this carbocation get stabilized due to the electron dispersion of this, the lone pair which is present on the nitrogen atom, they can combine with that z orbital of that p orbital, and therefore this can be form as a double bond over there, and we will be getting here this one CS3, then double bond O, then CS3, 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 and this is called as pinacolon, pinacolon OE. So IUPAC name of this compound 1, 2, 3, 4. At 3 position there are 3 methyl groups, 2 methyl groups. So 3, 2 are there. So it is a 3 dimethyl butanone, 2 butanone. This will be the product obtained over here. Now in the mechanism, how the mechanisms are takes place, that also we have shown over here in the example itself. We have shown as a mechanism also, and that mechanism, how these mechanisms are occurred, that step by step. Let us see here. The reaction being with a protonation, that is addition of a proton to one of the hydroxyl groups in pinacol to give oxonium ion first. This is oxonium ion. Oxonium ion first we are getting. Oxonium ion. Oxonium ion. That is this is a oxonium ion form. Then in the second step, what is happening? This is followed by loss of water and formation of carbocation. This is a formation of carbocation which is shown in figure A. That is the second point you can remember here. Then third point, this is a this carbocation undergoes. This carbocation, even though it is a tertiary carbocation, no doubt about it, but this carbocation undergoes a rearrangement involving White-Morley 1,2 shift of alkyl group, methyl group, migration from the carbon adjacent to carbon that carries a positive charge. And this carbocation undergoes a rearrangement involving White-Morley 1,2 shift of methyl group, and methyl group migrate from the carbocation adjacent to the carbon that carries a proton that carries a positive charge. Now see the fourth point. Due to 1,2 shift of methyl group, due to 1,2 shift of methyl group here shifting of 1,2 methyl group, the positive charge is now shifted on, look at here, shifted on carbon bearing hydroxyl group to form a new carbocation B. This is a new carbocation B which is shown over here. After the migration of White-Morley migration of 1,2 methyl shift, the carbocation formed near the hydroxyl group, and which is shown in figure B. The lone pair of electron, fifth point, the lone pair of electron on oxygen of hydroxyl group stabilizes positive charge on carbon by forming a pi bond. By forming as pi bond, once it is formed as a pi bond over here. And finally, and thus carbocation B is stabilized by shift of positive charge from carbon to oxygen, giving stable oxonium ion second. This is a stable oxonium ion over here. Now I am showing this one more step over here. Now still yes, oxonium ion second, and then there will be a loss of H plus, and we will get the final product, this one CS3 C double bond O, then this CS3 and this CS3. This is known as 1 2 3 4 carbon atom in the straight chain, and therefore we can, and look at this structure, you will find there are 2 methyl group present at 3 positions, so you can call it as a 3,3 dimethyl 2 butanone. 2 indicators the position of carbonyl group, 3,3 dimethyl 2 butanone. This will be the positive charge. This will be the final product we got over here. Finally, a proton is lost from the oxonium ion second to give the ketone, and the IUPAC name also I have written on it. And thus the driving force, the key feature of this reaction is that the driving force for the 1,2 SIP is the formation of stable oxonium ion second from the initially formed the carbocation. The loss of water and migration of alkyl group takes place very rapidly or simultaneously, and it gives the final product is this one, and which is known as pinacolone. This is known as a pinacolone. This is known as a pinacolone. This compound is known as a pinacolone, and it is quite likely that the migrating alkyl group does not become completely free before it is partially bonded to the adjacent positively charged carbon during the 1,2 shift. Thus, a type of intramolecular rearrangement is suggested, and this is established by the fact that the migrating group retain its configuration and no crossover product are formed. So that is generally cross product not observed. Let us see what does it mean. Now let us see here one of the example which group is migrating and why it is migrating. Let us see here the example which I am going to show over here. This one here on first carbon atom there will be PH means phenyl group, PH, here OH, and then here also CS3, then CS3 and OH. Now in an acidic medium, now there are 1, 2 diols are there. This is a pinacol. Now the big question arises here, and what is that big question arises here? The big question is that, see, there are different structure attached to that hydroxyl group, 1, 2 diol, no doubt about it, pinacol. But which hydroxy group get protected first and why? So that the reason we are generally going to find out here. So I am going to show you both the probable possibilities here, pH, here OH, then C, CS3, here CS3, and here hydroxy group. Both the structure I am here. When H plus after the on action with this substrate with the acidic medium H plus, now in the first case the migratory alkyl group is partially bonded to both the carbon. Formation of final product in the pinnacle rearrangement is determined by the following factor: stability of the carbocation formed due to loss of water. Second, relative migratory aptitude of alkyl or aryl substituents. And third one, the reaction condition. These are the three factors which are involved over here. Now suppose here two probable structure I have shown over here. Suppose these get protected like this. After the protection there will be a carbocation, but here I am going to show you this. The protection first of all is going to here, suppose let us see here, after the protection what do you get? pH, then pH, OH, then there will be CH3, then CS3, OH2, positive charge over here, and after the departure of this you will find loss of water molecule. After the loss of water molecule you will get pH, then here pH, OH, then this CS3, positive charge over here. This is a tertiary carbocation. Still it is what we can call it as a stable one, but this phenyl group is migrated from here to here. What do you get? You will get pH, then COH, positive charge over there C, then here pH, CS3 and CS3, and now here what is going to happen? This is going to form as a double bond. With that positive charge get neutralized, you will be getting here pH, C double bond OH, then here pH, CS3, and this CS3 positive charge still over there. And now after the loss of proton over here you will get pH, C double bond O, then here pH, CH3, and this CS3. And if you see this one, you will CS3, C2H5. Here, remember here what we can call it as C2H5 here, not this one, C2H5, and here is this one. So this type of the, generally there is a migration of So and let me talk first. Let me clear the first point over here. These two different compounds are there. One is this, another one is this, and after that you pH, then here will be CS3, then here pH C double bond O CS3, then as well as PHC, then C2H5 pH, then C double bond O CS3. In the same way, pH, then pH, here may be C2H5, then C double bond O CS3, and this one pH CH3, then pH C double bond O, then C2H5. This kind of the cross products are not observed. Cross product not observed. Cross product, CROSS, cross product not observed. Not cross product not observed. Cross product not observed over here. And why these cross products are not observed, the reason, but actual which product is going to form with the help of its mechanism, we come to know that what the actual pinacoline rearrangement, what type of the products you get over here, that we are see here. Let us see here with the mechanism also here. So this is an example. You treat with H plus. What is going to happen? The lone pair which is present over here, this is going to attack here, less stable. The carbocation which is formed is a major, then and then you will get here pH, then pH, here CS3, OH, and here OH2 positive charge. After departure of that you will get pH, then pH, OH, and next one will be CS3 positive charge. It is still less stable carbocation. And if you see here, if it is what we can call it as a form as a bond, then what do you get over here? pH, then pH, OH2, then CH3, CS3, OH, and this positive charge after the elimination of water, you will get pH, then pH, positive charge, then CS3, OH, that is a more stable carbocation. Why more stable carbocation? Because there is a two phenyl groups are there, and due to these two phenyl group, that is stabilized due to the resonance effect, and that's why it is a more stable. But if you look at here, this is a tertiary carbocation, no doubt about it, but that stable, but as compared to this tertiary, this is also as a tertiary, but in addition to that there are the phenyl group, and it get stabilized more than that one, and therefore the product obtained is get migrated, the product will be obtained over here pH. Then this methyl group is shifted from here to here, you will be getting here pH, then here pH CH3 C double bond O CS3. It is a more stable formation of the compound we got over here. I think these are the some of the what are the factors which stabilize that carbocation and why we are getting as only one that product. So that kind of the discussion, rest of the discussion we will discuss in our upcoming lectures. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.